So here it is our here is our automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. So as we can see, we have used this proximity sensor which has three output pins. One is out, one is ground, and the one is VCC. Then we have used a PNP type transistor which have three pins: base, collector and emitter. So first we connect the out pin via a resistor over here, which goes to the base of the transistor. Next we take the negative terminal of the motor and connect it with the ground. We also connect this negative terminal with the negative power supply, which is shown here. Next we take the emitter of the transistor here and connect it with the plus VCC of the proximity sensor, which is also connected with the positive power supply. As we can see here, we have given two sources of power supply, which are a battery, which we will add here, and next is the USB cable, which we can use in any general charger at our house. So as we can see, this is off for now, so let's turn it on. As we turn it on, we can see there is LED lit up, which indicates that the power supply is now on. Now as we will bring our hand in front of this sensor, it will detect it and it will give the output to the base, which in turn will enable the transistor and allow the current flow from emitter to collector, and our motor will get power and the liquid will come out from this nozzle. So let's have a dry run. So that is all from my side. Thank you.